Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public domain music. Public domain music refers to creative works that are not protected by intellectual property laws like copyright. This means anyone can use, adapt, or distribute these works without needing permission from the original creator or paying royalties. It's a fantastic resource for content creators, filmmakers, and musicians, offering a vast and diverse library of sounds to enhance your projects completely free of charge. We'll explore how to find and utilize these valuable assets. Music primarily enters the public domain through copyright expiration. The exact duration varies by country, but a common rule is that copyright protection lasts for the life of the author plus 70 years after their death. For works published before 1928 in the United States, they are generally considered to be in the public domain. Additionally, some creators may explicitly dedicate their work to the public domain, or the copyright holder might fail to renew their copyright, though this is less common now. Finding public domain music is easier than you might think with several excellent resources available. Websites like the Internet Archive, IMSL, and various government copyright offices offer extensive collections. You can also explore digital libraries and university archives, which often catalog and provide access to older musical works. When searching, use keywords like public domain music, copyright expired, or specific composers known for older works to narrow your results effectively and efficiently. Once you've identified public domain music, you have immense freedom to use it. You can copy, distribute, perform, and even create derivative works without seeking permission or paying royalties. While not legally required, giving credit to the original composer is a wonderful way to honor their legacy. However, always double-check the public domain status, as rules can be complex and vary by region. Enjoy the creative possibilities this vast, free resource offers for your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.